How should you run ads for your clients if they don't have Google Ads account? Should you run your ads from your own account or not? We don't. We never take clients if they don't have the account, because some agencies do, and they will run in their own account because they don't want to show how they are doing what they are doing in, and how they have set up the campaigns and everything. I'm not saying that that's not ethical, but we work with complete and total transparency with our clients. So they can go into any of their campaigns in their account and see what's happening or what's not happening, how much work has been done or not done, right? So we don't hide anything. And the second thing which I would highly recommend, and this is from years of experience, is never use your own billing for client accounts unless you are working with some big companies, enterprise level, and you've got all your terms and conditions and contracts and everything in place, you've done the credit checks, etc., then absolutely not a problem. But I'm talking in general terms. Let the client look after their billing. So all you are doing is running ads for them. They pay Google directly. Because if they don't pay you and you racked up $10,000 worth of ads, Google are going to ask you to pay them, and not your clients, even if you have run the campaign for your clients. So don't make that expensive mistake.